We are ready to build our Crescent student web pages. The first step is to go to the Crescent School website, sign in. So you're going to click on sign in, and then you're going to put your name in and put your password in. I just changed mine, so I have to put a new one in. And sign in. Once you've signed in, you're going to go back down to the bottom, and instead of saying sign in, it now says my options. You're going to click on that, and the top choice is Site Manager. You're going to click on Site Manager. Now yours will just come up with you. Mine looks a lot different, but this is my page. Now, if you look at the top, you'll see that it says my name, my workspace, what you're going to do, and I have a lot of things on my web page. You're only going to see, I think, two. You'll see calendar and one other page. The first thing we're going to do is set up a new page. So you're going to click on new page, and yours will look exactly like mine. The first thing we want to do is give it a name. Now you can give it a name, whatever you want it to be. It could be all about me. It could say Mrs. Richards' awesome page, Mrs. Richards rocks, but it's going to be your name, obviously. So we're just going to call this one all about me. And then we have to pick one of the page types. So we're going to pick a basic page and click on that. And then we're going to say save and continue. Now we're ready to get started. We have three things in our All About Me page. The first one we're going to do is a heading app. So we're going to click on that. And this is where we're going to, again, just the same thing we did here, I called it All About Me. You're going to do that as a heading. So you want to capitalize because it's a title, All About Me. And we're going to save it. Now I'm going to go back to my All About Me page. I have a heading done, and then I'm going to start adding content. So I'm going to click on content, and I'm going to start typing. I am the librarian at Crescent School. Now I can change that. After I type it, I can highlight it. I can make it bigger. I can change the font. I can make it bold. I can change the text color. And you're going to add at least 4 sentences to that. And we're going to save it. Once we save it, we can go back to our All About Me page again, and we can view the page to see what it looks like. If I click on View Page, it says All About Me. I'm the librarian at Crescent School. There's a big empty spot over here because that is where we are going to add our image. Now, once I see that page and I'm done looking at it, I want to go back and work more, I'm just going to close. That'll take me back to my All About Me page. For an image app, that's going to be a different screencast, so we'll get back to that later.